So hi and welcome to today's class, and today we will be learning in detail, step by step, about the creation of Dwadashamsha chart, the D12 chart. We will create it manually as whatever, like similar to the way we had been creating all the Varga charts, right? We had covered the D2 chart, we had covered the D3 chart, we had covered the D7. Last class we had covered the D9. This class is all about the D12. All right. So Dwadashamsha chart. Let's have a very preliminary overview of what the Dwadashamsha chart is all about. So from the Dwadashamsha chart, the D12 chart, we can have an understanding of the individual's appearance, even longevity too, grandparents, spirituality, the link of the present and the past life. So these are some a very small description, a very minute and a very small, on a very, I say the best word is preliminary level description, because it's important that I describe what the Dashamsha chart is all about. And these classes are all mathematical in nature. I am teaching you how to create Varga charts manually. That is what these recent classes have been all about. Today, it's time for, unraveling the manual creation of the D12 chart. And let me tell you one thing, out of all the charts, creating the D12 Dwadashamsha chart is very simple, or is the most simple calculation, the simplest calculation out of all the Varga charts. That is Dwadashamsha chart. It's going to take very less time, as compared to the other charts. Whenever you will be creating a Dwadashamsha chart and making it ready for your prognosis, making it ready for your analysis and interpretations. Okay, so now there is only one theory that we need to keep in our mind whenever we will start to manually calculate and create our Dwadashamsha chart. What is that theory? The theory says the counting shall start from the same Rashi in which the Lagna or the planet are placed. Every time, whenever you will be counting, that is the similar concept of counting that we had understood from all the previous classes. The concept remains the same. It's just based on the table of the particular concept of the Varga chart. The counting occurs. All right, but the theory is only one in Dwadashamsha. The theory is counting for the Lagna as well as for the planet, it will happen from the same Rashi. Okay, so this is this very, you even do not have to memorize it and put very good efforts to practice it again and again to memorize or to retain this theory in your subconscious. You will be, it's just gone, it's right there right now in your subconscious. That much easy it is to work on the Dwadashamsha chart and to create the D12 Dwadashamsha chart. All right, so now again, the concept for the calculation, for the counting part, the counting process, how we are doing it, we are Dwadashamsha is D12. D12 means what? We are dividing the 30 degrees by 12. So when we are dividing 30 degrees by 12, every division, the length, the range of every division will be 2 degrees and 30 minutes. A very simple mathematical calculation. Divide 30 degrees by 12, you will get 2 degree and 30 minutes. Alright, so the first Dwadashamsha will be from 0 degrees to 2 degree 30 minutes. The second Dwadashamsha will be from 2 degree 30 minutes to 5 degrees. It's simply 2 degree 30 minutes plus 2 degree 30 minutes, which is your 4 degrees 60 minutes, which is 5 degrees and 00 minute. Now, similarly, the third Dwadashamsha will be from 5 degree 00 minutes to 7 degree 30 minutes. The fourth will be 7 degree 30 minutes to 10 degrees. So every time we are just adding 2 degree and 30 minutes in order to evaluate and write our range for a particular Dwadashamsha. Alright. Same concept applies, and from 0 degrees we are arriving at 30 degrees. Okay. And we are creating, or we are having our 12 Dwadashamsha. The 12 different ranges of Dwadashamsha, and based on this particular table, we will be understanding and analyzing that how much time we need to count for a particular planet in order to get it placed in the Dwadashamsha chart. So the look and feel of the Dwadashamsha chart will again be the same as compared to the Drishkana, as compared to Saptamsha, as compared to our Navamsha, right? It's just that similar to the D1 chart also, because this also has the Dwadashamsha chart also has 12 houses, 12 bhavas from the first to the 12th. Okay, the only Varga chart that is different is the Hora chart, which we had already discussed in our previous classes. Alright, because in Hora chart it's only we have two houses. One house ruled by Cancer and the next house is ruled by Leo, right? So that's it. That is the only difference in the outlook, in the look and feel of a particular Varga chart that appears different. That is again the Hora. Alright, okay. So now we have covered our theory, we have understood the calculations by the help of which we are creating our 12 bifurcations of the Dwadashamsha, the ranges from and up to. Now let's take the same birth chart, the birth chart that we had been dealing with for all of these classes. Okay, so again so every time I don't have to mention that this particular chart also we had created from scratch manually. First we had calculated the ascendant rising, then we had calculated the planetary longitudes and the planetary placements, and this particular birth detail was 31st August 2024. The time of birth was 11:25 AM IST and the place of birth was Delhi. So after all of these calculations, we had derived and we had charted out this particular horoscope, that is the birth D1 chart. Alright, so this chart remains the same. Now from this particular chart, we will create our Dwadashamsha, the D12 chart. Okay, so let's proceed and let's do the calculation from scratch. Let's create the Dwadashamsha chart from scratch. So now every time the counting will start from the same house or from the same sign. It's just a play of the longitude of either the Lagna or the remaining 9 planets. So 24 degree and 19 minutes, this particular 24 degree and 19 minutes is falling in the 10th Dwadashamsha. So from here we need to count 10. For this is the Lagna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our Lagna, the ascendant rising, the ascendant lord for our Dwadashamsha chart, for this particular horoscope, it will be Cancer, right? So the remaining houses we are labeling it accordingly. Alright, so the Lagna is now complete. Now let's come to Saturn. Saturn is having a longitude of 22 degree and 26 minutes. 22 degree and 26 minutes is falling in the 9th Dwadashamsha. So from here you count 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Saturn will go in the sign of Libra in the Dwadashamsha chart. Saturn goes in the sign of Libra in the Dwadashamsha chart. Alright, let's come to Rahu. The longitude of Rahu is 12 degree and 41 minutes. 12 degree and 41 minutes is falling in the 6th Dwadashamsha. So from here you count 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Rahu gets placed in the sign of Leo in the Dwadashamsha chart. Okay. Yes. So now let's come to Jupiter. The longitude of Jupiter is 24 degree and 44 minutes. 24 degree 44 minutes is falling in the 10th Dwadashamsha. 24 degree and 44 minutes, yes, falling in the 10th Dwadashamsha. So from here you count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Jupiter gets placed in the sign of Aquarius. Jupiter gets placed in the sign of Aquarius in the Dwadashamsha chart. Now let's do the calculation for Mars. Mars, the longitude of Mars is 3 degree and 00 minute. 3 degree and 00 minute is falling in the second Dwadashamsha. So from here you count 2, 1, 2. So Mars gets placed in the sign of Cancer. Mars is getting placed in the sign of Cancer in the Dwadashamsha chart. Okay? Alright. Now let's come to Moon. The longitude of Moon is 12 degree and 24 minutes. So 12 degree and 24 minutes is falling, 12 degree and 24 minutes is falling in the 5th Dwadashamsha. So from here you count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Moon gets placed in the sign of Scorpio in the Dwadashamsha chart. Okay. So Moon is also properly, accurately placed in the Dwadashamsha chart. Now Mercury, the longitude of Mercury is 27 degree and 37 minutes. 27 degree and 37 minutes is falling in the 12th Dwadashamsha. So from here you count 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Mercury is getting placed in the sign of Gemini in the Dwadashamsha chart. Okay, wonderful. Now let's come to Sun. The longitude of Sun is 14 degree and 07 minutes. So 14 degree and 07 minutes, it is falling in the 6th Dwadashamsha. So from here you count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so Sun gets placed in the sign of Capricorn in the Dwadashamsha chart. Now, two planets are remaining. One is Venus. Venus, the longitude of Venus is 7 degree and 53 minutes. So 7 degree and 53 minutes is falling in the 4th Dwadashamsha. So from here you count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Venus is getting placed in the sign of Sagittarius in the Dwadashamsha chart. Now let's calculate for Ketu. The longitude of Ketu is 12 degree and 41 minutes. So 12 degree and 41 minutes is falling in the 6th Dwadashamsha. So for Ketu, from here count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Ketu is getting placed in the sign of Aquarius in the Dwadashamsha chart. Okay, so we have successfully, absolutely accurately, alright, calculated, created our Dwadashamsha chart. So now you are also familiar with the manual creation of Dwadashamsha chart. How you can create the Dwadashamsha chart from the birth chart manually. This particular knowledge, this particular awareness is now also there in front of you. So congratulations, you all should be feeling very happy. You all should be feeling very content. This knowledge, these are absolutely precious knowledge. And I'm telling you, like from an overall percentage, this is what I feel. I do not know I do not know accurately. I do not know for sure, but I feel, I sense that there are less percentage of astrologers who are creating Varga charts manually. Almost most, they are, mostly being reliant on any third party astrological software. So this kind of creations, when you are able to do and you are able to incorporate all of this mathematical work into your astrological practice, your proficiency will be on a different level. So please practice whatever I am teaching you through all of these classes. I am putting so much of efforts. Now it is depending on you how you are able to utilize this, how much effort you are putting into watching my videos again and again till your concept is absolutely clear, like that whatever has been discussed in this video, concept wise it is absolutely clear to you. That many number of times you need to watch the video, okay, and then you need to practice it at your own end. So whenever this is it's a sure short fact, you have to do this. Whenever you will be watching my videos, you have to practice it along with me. Whatever I am telling you, you have to pause the video, practice it, then resume the video, or you have to go back, watch it again, then again practice it, then again resume. You have to, because all of the videos whatever I have created, that is in my Vedic astrology classes playlist, starting from class 1, each and every video, each and every class is completely practical. So you have to, do the practice. Even while watching the videos, watch it again and again, practice it again and again till the concept is being absolutely clear to you. Then you need to practice it at your own end using some different horoscopes. Start with hypothetical and then you practice it with if you are into consultations, then you practice it with live horoscopes. You have to do all of these calculations. Whatever I have taught you till today's class, you have to incorporate that. You have to implement these learnings into your practice. Then only you will feel the efficiency and effectiveness. It is increasing multifold. All right. So thank you for watching my videos. Please like, comment and share my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm putting so much efforts into creating all of these videos. I have uploaded so many videos, including like innumerable number of shorts videos too. Watch it whenever you have the time. My channel, this YouTube channel is full of information, full of knowledge, full of rich informed awareness that will always benefit you. All right, so thank you, and in the next class we will understand step by step how to manually create the Trimsamsa chart, and then we will do the manual creation of the Dashamsha chart too. Okay, so thank you so much, all the very best and goodbye. Take care.